Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on one of my favorite programs that I am currently in 2024, which is going to be Supreme Profit Systems. So if you're looking at Supreme Profit Systems online right now, this is a very important video, so please watch to the end. I'm going to share with you how I help you actually collect commissions on my Supreme Profit Systems team, and how you can use this program to escape the rat race, fire your boss, and never have to work a 9-to-5 job again. My name is Justin Temple. Thank you so much for being here. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications for future Supreme Profit Systems videos and home-based business videos. But anyways, I have been in this industry for over a decade, 12 years now. I actually dropped out of high school at 16 years old to do home-based business, became a top 200 earner, and then the company went out of business. I went to other industries because I left the home-based business industry. I was helping local businesses with their marketing. I was doing an online store, making $300 per day. The shipping crisis happened in 2020. Then I came back to digital marketing because of the shipping crisis with physical products. So I came back to affiliate marketing, digital products. And 8 months after starting this YouTube channel, coming back to the affiliate industry, I was able to work my way to home business freedom and never have to work a job again. I actually make money from home and I do this full time, don't have to work a job. So thank you so much for being here. That's my quick little story. And Supreme Profit Systems is my favorite big ticket home-based business system because it's very simple. The program is basically you get the people watch a video and then they call a 1-800 number and they let you know what level they want to get started at, and you collect 100% direct commissions. Okay, so you're gonna get people calling your 1-800 number and they're already telling you that they're ready to send you $500, $1,500, $3,500, $7,500, and $11,000. Okay, this is not a hard program. You don't have to sell anyone on anything. The video does all the work, the page does all the work, and people just let you know that they're ready to get started and to call them back. Okay, so that's what I really love about this program. There's not a lot of there's nothing to really give a lot of support on. It's not a complicated program. It's something that anyone can do. It's not technical. You could promote this with postcards. You could promote this with Craigslist. You can promote this with YouTube, like me. You could promote this with solo ads, which is what I do as well. You could promote this with anything that you wanted to do. And the income with Supreme Profit Systems is really, really lucrative. And you're able to make your money back on advertising and keep advertising and build your team. Because with $500, you can afford quite a bit of advertising. $1,500, that's triple, and so on. So I really, really enjoy this. Oh, let me go ahead and adjust my hand. Sorry. So anyways, I really, really love this program. And so if you're looking at Supreme Profit Systems review, you're going to want to work with me because I'm the only one that's actually going to help you once you actually get started in Supreme Profit Systems. I'm going to actually, there's going to be a link in the description to my team bonuses for Supreme Profit Systems. So go ahead and check that out. But my bonuses are that I help you actually get results in Supreme Profit Systems. I'm going to help you and coach you. I'm going to help you build a custom branded funnel. I'm going to tell you exactly what to say. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. I'm going to set your funnel up with a capture page, bridge page, going to your Supreme Profit Systems 1-800 number page with 30 emails built in going back to your branded video of you so that people get to know, like, and trust you. I set it all up for you. So it's basically another done-for-you system that I set up for you personally, and all you got to do is run traffic to it. But now it's way better. People get to know, like, and trust you, and people are going to want to spend more money with you because they actually see you rather than just seeing some program and a 1-800 number and an automated message, right? So that's how you want to do high ticket, is get people to see you, know you, like you, trust you, hear you, and so that's what I help you do on my team. On my team, I also have proven traffic sources that I buy from myself, and when we actually send that traffic to your custom funnel. So not only do I help you do all the techie stuff that you need to do for real affiliate marketing success and high ticket success, but I also, with the commission that I get from your SPS referral, I will actually reinvest some of that in the traffic to your custom funnel so that you can get results and coach you on how to do YouTube videos, Facebook marketing, email marketing, and everything that you need to do to actually build a sustainable online business, or even a mailbox business. You can do postcards with this and do this offline. I can coach you on that too. So thank you so much for watching this Supreme Profit Systems review video real quick. My name is Justin Temple. I am one of the greatest sponsors you will ever find. No one ever does what I do. No one actually spends time on their team members' businesses, helping them set up their autoresponder, their capture pages, their bridge videos, their emails, setting up their traffic sources. So no one actually does everything for you and coaches you and walks you through everything like I do. I'm so good at this that I will just walk you through it, show you how to do it, and build everything for you. And so that way all you got to do is just simple videos or some simple Facebook marketing or some paid traffic. That's it. And some email marketing. I really recommend email marketing. But that's it. It's so simple, guys. So thank you so much. Get started with me in Supreme Profit Systems right now. And I'm the only one that's actually going to help you after the sale, actually help you after the fact that you get started, and actually coach you for life. Okay, so anyone that joins my team in any program, I help them for life, forever. Okay, so thank you so much. Go ahead and click that link down below and check out my team bonuses in the description as well. So I'll see you on the next page, my friend. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much. Click that link down below and check out my bonuses. I'll see you on the inside.